Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a model. Her name is Ure. We're going to be teaching you how to tie Fan Gele. Watch out for this video, guys. Thank you.
Mercy Jehovah, who be this fine babe?
So the first thing to do is to pleat. And this gele is not very long, guys, though it was made in 4 places. You know, like I usually say, some people don't know how to do Asoke very well. So if you're in this category, the Asoke is not very long. The length is not the normal length. See, it's too and small. What you would do when you are picking, you make the shorter hand very short. So see guys, I'm making the shorter hand very short, then I'll pleat. Okay guys, so I'm going to pleat neatly. When you pleat, you hold down. This is Asoke, guys. We're doing Fan Gele. Okay, so you lift it up, the plates are still there. Can you see the plate is still intact, and you place it on the hairline. Can you see this is very short? You ask your model, don't be shy to ask your model, please hold, yes. So hold for you, then you ensure you follow the plates you've picked. Don't place it on top each other. You pick it one by one, neatly and nicely. Make sure no one is getting lost in between. When you pick to this point, can you see how neat it is? You ask your model, please hold. Thank you. Press it down. You do the same thing on the other side, which is the shorter hand. You pick one after the other. And you come to the back. You pick. The shorter hand goes up, the longer hand comes down. Before you cross it over, always ensure you open the gele. Then you pick the plates that you've already arranged. Then you ask your model to hold this for you. Then hold this. You come to the front. So please leave this one for me. You lift it up. Can you see the plates are still there? You start picking. Ensure that you still maintain those plates. Pick, pick. Don't lose the plate in between. You pick, pick. When you get to this point, you start forming your fan. Once more, you pull out. Please look up. You always ensure you ask your model or your clients to look up. Continue picking to form the crown. Just hold it down. Yes, thank you. Pick, pick. Sorry, look this way. Yeah. You pick. Pick, guys. Can you see our fan is fanning? If we use this fan to fan you, you will not feel heat. This is a full fan. Come here, you continue picking. As you are picking, ensure that you don't drag down. Wow, I love it already. Yes, so that's the end of the fan. Go to the back. Just pick and you press here down so that the fan doesn't shift. So the fan doesn't shift. Yes. Pick it in to this point. You ask your model to leave what she's holding. Leave it. Please press here. Press it very well. Then come here. So you twist. You take the middle. You ask your model, sorry, is it tight?
It's okay.
Is it painful? So you need to be sure your model is comfortable. You pick this into this one, roll it, and you knot it in between. Okay guys, then you come to the front. Wow, isn't she lovely? Hey, so at this tail end, you just pin in. You get your pin. Please look down. Okay, so this is not working. Anytime you notice that the pin is bending, you change it. So wow. You arrange. Okay. Then you come to the back. Since her hair is open, you fold this in to show her hair. Try to create a roll of the back. Then you take one more pin. Okay. So that's it guys. That's a Fan Gele. Our model is feeling herself. She's feeling herself. There's no need to push further because I put it just on the hairline. Please, when you are tying your gele, don't put it on the forehead. Just put it on the hairline. You can still move backwards if you want to. You can see it, guys. That's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends and families. Learn, share, comment, and subscribe. My name remains Fome Fits Me, and this is Gele Time.